My name's John McLaughlin and I'm one of the owners of Elevencom, an advertising agency based down here at Middlehead. We're located down here in Middlehead at Mosman. It's a fantastic space. We're a creative agency, so the environment and nature that's all around the place in there is something that we find really valuable in developing our creative work. It's a great place for people to be able to go out and walk and have conversations and sort of relax. A very different environment to sort of city-based areas. We've had premises with the Harbour Trust for coming up on 15 years now. It's been a great relationship. It's been a very simple process right throughout. They're very responsive when there's any issues going forward in there, and they provide a spectacular environment in which to have our offices. And when we have both clients and staff coming in here, they find this a very different and beautiful area to be able to come to on a regular occurrence. I definitely recommend this to any business in there. It's a very different environment to come down to. It's beautiful, it's relaxing, and certainly we wouldn't have been here for such a long period of time if we didn't enjoy every single day. It's fantastic during summer, and you get some spectacular storms in winter, so it gives you a whole range of different areas in there. But it's a great group of people, there's some interesting businesses around, and we wouldn't want to be anywhere else.